Hi and welcome to Tony's Coffee Time. I just wanted to have a talk about the Nurri Type R HX single boiler coffee machine I bought the other day. So as you can see, I've just turned it on and it takes roughly 10 minutes to heat up. It's a single boiler, and also at the same time I bought a Redimac grinder 58 flat burr with Nurri on the grinder display as well. And I'm really pleased with the grinder and extremely pleased with the coffee machine. So here we go. I don't do this anymore. I normally just touch the button on the screen to do the coffee. It's a bit fiddly to find the little knob underneath the cradle. So there's me trying to tap away. Tap, 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 level, level, level. And it comes with a self-leveler included in the machine. And then it comes with a nice tamper as well. There you go, go on. Tamp, tamp. I like to clean it up properly. In it goes. Coffee flat white-ish from me and my wife. It has a sort of soft infusion for 4 seconds. And then I try and do a 32-second shot. No, 32-gram shot in about 32 seconds. I think it came out really well. It was only about the second time I used the steam one, so I'm not very good at steaming milk. I am getting better, and I'll show you the results soon. So why did I buy this machine? Oh, it's all metal, fantastic steam wand, and it just looks great. Steams milk in about 15 seconds. It's incredible. Like I said, I'm not very good. I will get there. Been watching lots of videos on how to steam milk. Like I said, this is only my second go. And then of course I burnt myself on the steam wand, didn't I? Just about now. There you go. Anyway, coffee tastes great. I'm not a very good latte art guy, so I will get there in the end. If anyone wants any information on it, let me know. I paid for it myself. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.